On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the best smoked pork steaks you will ever make. Alright guys, so here we have some nice sized pork steaks, and if you have never had some pork steaks, definitely try them. They're cheap, they taste great, especially if you do them in the smoker, you're going to love it. So let's get right into it. We're going to go ahead and put a binder on these bad boys. Just a little bit like that. Get them all over it. That way our rub sticks to these pork steaks. We're also going to be adding some barbecue sauce on these, because I've done these without barbecue sauce and with some barbecue sauce, and I think adding the barbecue sauce on these, I don't know, barbecue sauce on these meats would be great. And pat them, just give them a nice little pat, and then turn them around. And we do the same process on this side, just a little bit of mustard all over it. And then let's go ahead and add our rub. You guys can use any rub of choice that you guys like. For me, I think this rub works great for a lot of kinds of meat. Love it. And I know you guys will too. Give it a nice pat. So how are we going to cook these bad boys? We're going to put our pit boss to 300 degrees. And we're going to let them ride till they hit about 150. Add the barbecue sauce, and then we should be good. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our pit boss. Alright, our pit boss is at 200 degrees. Put these right in the middle. Let's add a thermometer in here. We'll be back in a few minutes. So we're adding the barbecue sauce. I'm going to go ahead and add it. Alright, so it's been almost about an hour and a half. And these are ready. Look how good they look. Let's go. Alright guys, so before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. Alright, so here you have it. Oof, I am ready to give this a try right here. Look at that piece. Go ahead and try it. Man, this is really good. Pork and barbecue sauce always go great together. Now I let these ride to 160, so that's how I like. But you guys can always go less time for less internal temp. Whatever you guys like, that is up to you. But for me, normally my pork, I like eating it around that. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. This was really good. I really like it. Pork steaks is always a hit. You guys haven't tried, try it. I'll buy these at Walmart. They're really cheap. It's pork. So make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.